Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you how I do my fills, and this is the before and the after. So one of my nails actually broke off, and I will be showing you how I fix it to make it look like the rest of them. So I filed my nails down to match my broken nail. I also filed down not only the shine of the gel, but wanted to file down the acrylic just because my nails were getting a little too thick from the previous dips. If you have not seen my last video on how I do dip nails, make sure to check that out just because I am using all the products I used in the previous video. I forgot to show you guys the polish I'm using right here, but it is the ASP Quick Dip Step 2. The info will be in the description box. With my middle finger that I had to start all over on, I dipped it 3 times, while the rest of the nails I dipped twice. Next step is filing and shaping, which I take forever to do just because I'm such a perfectionist and I like my nails to look a certain way, but to each her own. And there you have it. That is how I do my fills. Hopefully that helped. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.